Today is the day that we are planting the 25-year-old, 18 to 25-year-old seeds. Told you guys about that a few videos ago. So all of this stuff has been, with the exception of the cherry pits, all of these have been in the freezer for at least 10 days. And I brought them out this morning and set them on the tailgate of the truck in the sun, let everything warm up. And I'm going to plant them in the locations that you see them in right now. So the cayenne peppers, there will be nothing else at all planted in this container. So cayenne pepper, early girl hybrid tomato, snowball cauliflower, mountain gold tomato, lemon, lime, and jackpot zucchini squash. Cherry pit, cherry pit, cherry pit, cherry pit, cherry pit, cherry pit, and a mango that has been in the freezer. This is the first time I've ever frozen a mango seed and then brought it out. And I'm also not tearing the husk off the outside. I'm going to plant it just like God would. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put these things in the ground. I'm going to put a little light scattering of the black cow over the top, maybe some peat moss. I'm not quite sure yet, but anyway, I'm not going to cover them too deep. No more than an eighth or a quarter. Well, I have never seen a lemon and a lime that don't have a single seed in them. So we won't be planting lemons or limes today. In their place, I moved the mango seed to that spot, and I'll just grab a couple more cherry pits and stick them in that spot. So there's your final layout. I picked up a 40-pound bag of Microlife 624 all organic biological fertilizer, great for everything. Today being the 20th or 21st, whatever, day 31 of the garden. And I went ahead and applied it liberally to everything, including the seeds I just planted for this project. And just wanted to kind of identify what I did here, so if for no other reason to help me remember the smaller seeds, which is all the pots but that one. The seeds are basically at least 9 seeds in a H pattern. So 4 down each side, 8, and then at least 1, 2, or 3 in the middle. All 5 of these pots are planted that way. The only exception is going to be with the cauliflower. The wind, after I planted everything, the wind blew the seed packet over and dumped everything right there. So I just kind of picked everything up and tossed it in this general area right here. And to the best of my knowledge, it's a tiny seed, but to the best of my knowledge, I sort of kind of ended up with an H pattern. Might have buried some, no big deal. So it is what it is. But getting ready to water everything this afternoon. Actually, I could water this right now and get a kickstart on it, probably do that. But everything in the bed, the soaker hose is working better than I need it to. So I'm going to back off on my soaker hose and just kind of monitor it. I may pick a spot somewhere in the deep end and check it and see when it actually needs to be watered, because right now it's really too wet. We're expecting we're going to be in triple digits for about 5 days, so I've really been laying the water to it because I don't want to lose anything. But anyway, I'll let you know when something comes up, or even if it doesn't. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching.